What is up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're back again with another Gabriel Henrique reaction. So this is an acoustic version, and this is called Vision of Love by Gabriel. And I've seen someone here with a guitar. I'm not sure who is he, so I want to see if he's literally, talented with the guitar. And we all know the Gabriel Henrique capabilities. So without further ado, let's see the two combination and what they are capable of at this point.
Treating me kind, sweet destiny, carry me through desperation.
I want to ask a question, right? Is Gabriel actually a human? Is he human? Because I would love to know. Because ain't no way this man is from planet Earth.
To the one that was waiting for me, it took so long. Still I believe.
Well, the guitarist is doing a great presentable job, while Gabriel himself is doing something presentable as well. So I'm loving what I'm hearing and seeing thus far. So let's pick up the pace and let's continue.
Yeah. Somehow the one that I needed would find me eventually.
Look, there's something about Gabriel's music that we all like. I guess his music is literally something that pulls you in, draws you in, so you could get more of his music. That's the power of Gabriel.
I had a vision with love, and it was all that you're giving to me.
Who else smiles after they hear Gabriel's voice? I do smile because this is a Gabriel for you, man.
Break for the night, felt so alone, so prone for alienation, carried the weight on my own, had to be strong.
This is way too cool. As a guy, literally has something different in his music every time, because the last time I've encountered Gabriel's music is when he's collaborating with someone, right? And now he's doing a collaboration with a guitarist, and this is pretty darn amazing to listen to.
So I believe, and now I know I've succeeded in finding that place I can see.
Very good, Gabriel. You are doing an excellent job. At least you're not the type of guy who let down your fans. You're always keeping up with them. You are always making them feel welcome. And this is the reason why I'm always here to listen to your music, to react to your music, because we know the capabilities that you have, and you are proving to us that you can do this over and over again.
I had a vision with love, and it was all that you're giving to me. I had a vision of love, and it was all that you're giving me. I realized that you're real.
Very good, Gabriel. Very good. The way you have this beautiful voice, the way you're making it seem so easy, it's something that we should take into consideration. And the reason why I became a fan of Gabriel's music, it's because this whistling thing that he do, bro. I love when Gabriel whistles, bro. It's like one of the coolest things I've seen, have witnessed, have heard while doing reactions.
And I've read you in life, the love that came to be. Feel
So amusing, so entertaining. Quite a relaxing show here.
so alive, I'm so thankful that I can see the answer.
Yo, he's the king of vocals. He's the king of singing. As a Brazilian, bro, I do love when Gabriel sing, bro. It's like a peaceful momentum. It's quite enjoying, man.
Now to me, it treated me cold. Sweet destiny, oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sing on, my bro. Sing on. You're doing this without even trying. You're doing this effortlessly. Yo, this is impressive, man. This is impressive. If you ask me, this is way too outlandish. Super, man. Super, bro.
Faithfully, yeah. So faithfully, knowing the one that I needed to find. You find me. I had a picture in love.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Splendid, Gabriel. Splendid. My G is back, bro. Rah, 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 rah. That's the thing. I became a fan of Gabriel, of the beautiful whistling. He's killing it, man.
And he was
Bro, this guitarist, he needs an Oscar. Because ain't no way he's keeping up with Gabriel's singing. Damn, bro. He's talented. This guitarist is talented.
that you turn out to be.
Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Terrific performance, Gabriel. Terrific. You have outdone yourself again, bro. Again and again. You are keeping it beautifully. Rah, rah, rah. That never gets old, bro. Never gets old. And Gabriel, you've done it again. And Gabriel handled that. He handled that. So if you guys enjoy this reaction, please leave a like, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. Peace.